Hey, hi. This is your girl Denise at BraidersCourse.com. And if you are a natural hairstylist in Michigan or a hair braider in Michigan, this video is for you. But this video is especially for Lairde Scotte. Your name will be in the description because you asked me to do this video for you, and I want to help you get your registration, get your license in the state of Michigan, especially after doing the investigation and some of the things that I found. Okay. Now here it is. As you can see, we on Michigan page. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their page, they have natural hair cultivation licensing guide and the natural hair cultivation limited instructors guide. The reason why they have these guides is because they want you to apply online. As you can see, apply online. The application for the natural hair cultivation licensing is online. Okay, so you have to click this and then you go online. The application is for 2 years. As you can see, it's $63. Either if you're gonna do a reciprocity or an exam, you have to have good moral character question. You have to have a social security number or a TIN. Okay, you can request a free waiver. That's the good thing that I like about this for people that are in armed forces. Here you need to be 17 years of age, had an education equivalent to the completion of the ninth grade. Here is the big piece, what you asked me about the training. You can't find no school because they probably don't have no school that teach this 400-hour course. However, we do see that it is an extra piece that I can help you with. Has a training either in at least 400 hours, at least, of extended over the 3-month period in a cosmetology school approved by the department. That's the problem. Whereas services related to natural hair and cultivation are rendered, or, okay, has served at least 6 months in an apprenticeship in a licensed cosmetology establishment in which hair braiding cultivation is practiced. I am a licensed cosmetologist establishment, and we will get this done for you because we'll find other ones. The next piece is you then have to take this test with PSI, which is going to be easy because PSI is who most people are licensed through, and I kind of know they test in and out. That's who we take our test with out here in California. The additional requirements for reciprocity, which you, if you wanted to act as if you was coming from another state to come to Michigan, you can do that. Okay, and here go the renewal requirements, how much it costs, $48, how you can renew. Then these are more helpful resources. As I told you, this is where we click, but let me go over here and show you this cultivation because I like to show everybody how they can become the teacher as well. You don't have to just sit there and be the student. You need to now, since we can't find this in Michigan and we about helping each other, you can now fill out for this. All right. You need to be the instructor. This one say the esthetician. Wow. But no, up here as you can see, it say natural hair cultivation. So I guess it's the same daggone license for everybody. Let me try this again. Okay? Because like I said, we about expanding and teaching each other. Natural hair cultivated limited instructors guide. Let's hit that. And I bet you it's the same thing. Yeah, it is. But we don't care. And it's the same stuff. We're going to walk through it, have completed at not less than 300 hours in the instructor training. Okay. And that's, you can be the master educator through the My Lady training that I have as well. Because this is just ridiculous. But now you click this. And once you click this, you go over here and this tells you how you can go online and fill out the application as well as fill out file, as you can see, files and complaints. But you scroll on down and say how to apply. Right here, even though it don't say anything about the natural hair, you click the cosmetology, okay? You click the cosmetology, and once you click it, it'll open up and it tells you how to apply as well as file a complaint, verify a license, or log in on your own license. Okay, and then you read through here, and then you can click here for more instructions, and it just tells you how to apply for your first license. Okay, as I told you, they got the printed instructions here, and they want you to click the video and apply online. Again, I created this. I parked this over on the page, and you will get the PDFs as well as how to walk through this and talk to me again. This video is for Lairde, Scotte. I thank you so much for asking me to help you with Michigan and adding Michigan to my state. Yay! Bye.